I need one scout on Bisdak, okay?
Northeast,
Careful,
look
they're gonna look soon, Careful, they're
Careful,
looking,
Bray.
Try to run
looking.
small gates.
Okay, I need some detanks on the small gate also. I think punish is the caller, dear bro. Hold. Ayaw pag fake, uy, ikaw naman ako engage.
Lagi.
Southwest Bisdak.
Yo, they're looking, come northeast. You can foot check now, no, see.
Holding lang sa test. Yung ano.
Pwede ko mo double yung northwest kaya.
Only near Vu and Donnie. Near Vu and Donnie and Boss Mark, fake, west side. 3, 2, 1. Fake now.
BS stacking BS stacking na.
Come northeast. They're gonna walk into us, okay? Ready drop on me, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside.
Coming, Brim, coming.
Come southeast. Kahit southeast. Def now. Kahit southeast. We need help. Come southeast. Stabilize. Brawl here. Don't go outside. Brawl here. Boss mark ready.
Ready.
Look at me northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw.
Moving Bisdak ka, Southeast.
Heal up here. Stay here. Brawl here. Heal up. Yo, brawl here. Brawl inside. Come southwest now. Don't panic when they walk in, boys. All good.
They going
Kill this guy. Okay, come southeast now.
They going gold
Where's Bisdak right now? Come southeast. Come southeast. Yo, on me, southeast. Come. Where's Bisdak?
Going northeast mo. Northeast ng middle.
Spread.
They taking castle maybe. Gold castle.
Okay, mount up. We go back to Castle. I'm northeast.
Okay,
You guys?
wait lang,
May
Kay, wait lang.
mga loot pa dito
Switching.
Okay, loot. Yo, catch this guy. He's looting. Arwan.
2 seconds.
Okay, come back, mount up. We need to go to the castle. Mount up. Loot and mount up. Let R1 loot. And Chris. Come. Come, Messi.